Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial going over how to transfer the funds, the money that you have in your Cash App account to your bank account. So to do this, we're going to launch Cash App, and then we can see our Cash App money balance here in the bottom left-hand corner. I currently have $10 in my Cash App balance, so I'm going to click on that. And then from here, it's pretty easy. Once you're in the money area, we can see our cash balance and we can withdraw at this point. If we click on withdraw, you can select how much money you'd like to transfer. If you want it to transfer instantly, there's going to be a fee associated with that. Otherwise, you can just do a standard option, which isn't going to have a fee associated with that transfer. I'm going to do the free option, so I'm going to click standard, and then I need to confirm. And it's as simple as that. We get a check mark and it says the $10 will be available in your external bank account on Thursday. Now, if you'd like to switch or change which bank that this is going to be sent to, heading back to our money page, we can click on our little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. From there, you can go down and click on where it says linked banks, and it's going to show you which bank account that you currently have linked up. If you would like to change or switch this, you can click on the bank that you have linked. And then from here, you can replace that bank with a different option if you'd rather have those funds transferred to a different bank account. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can cash out the money that you have sitting in your cash balance in Cash App to a bank account. It's a pretty simple process. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.